Hello Facebook land, this is Soup with Serious Lip Balm, and I'm going to talk about our beard balm. We have three kinds of beard balms. Lucas Freedom has a cedar and leather tone and smell to it. We have what I call a house one, which is a fireplace and vanilla smell to it. And then the third one, named after me, is our Soup, which is a herbal and kind of sage smell to it, which is my favorite. So, gentlemen, take a little bit of fluffity fluff, about a dime size for this, rub it in, massage it into the beard, kind of get it in the skin underneath, tames it, makes it kissable for the ladies, and it kind of helps stop with the itching or razor burn or anything else like that. So, jump on our website, check it out. If you have questions, email us, Instagram us, do whatever you need to do, but we've got some good stuff.